Today I'm here to review a beloved Raquel Welch style that comes in 3 cap sizes: petite, average, and large. It is so rare to find a major name brand synthetic that comes in all the sizes, and I'm thrilled to tell you all about Upstage. I have her in the petite cap. We're going to learn all about this style and this color, which is one of my favorite Raquel Welch colors. Let's talk about this one. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. I am partnering with name brand wigs to bring you this review. I've had this wig for weeks and weeks. I'm so thrilled to finally be able to make this video because this style is super popular, and like I said in the intro, it comes in 3 cap sizes, so it's going to fit a wide variety of head sizes, which is thrilling. Name Brand Wigs is a wonderful online retailer. I partner with them a lot. They're so generous to allow me to show you guys so many wigs. And when I'm able to keep styles that I can do Tip Tuesdays on, I'm also able to bring you a ton of education. They do this at great cost to their business, and I'm just so grateful for them. They also have a wonderful customer service team. I've actually met many of them in person, and they're ready to help you. You can send them an email, support@namebrandwigs.com. I get a lot of messages and emails from wig sisters looking for help finding a specific style. I often get inspiration pictures sent to me, whether it be a hairstyle that someone finds online or your bio hair that's quickly leaving you or maybe has already left you and you're trying to mimic it. Name Brand Wigs can help you with those questions. Send them an email. They have a whole team waiting to help you, so please take advantage of it. I love them. I've been a customer since the very beginning of my wig wearing journey over 6 years ago. Let's take a look at this one from all sides. See, this has a little swoopy bang, and it is a little bit of a face flopper. Now, this is fresh out of the box, so I know that if I wear this one and I play with it, I kind of use my hands to work those fibers back over time, that is not going to be as much of a face flopper as it is today because the knots are just being directed that way. But this is a full mono top, and you can also use a hot tool to get lift. My favorite is a hot comb, and I've done this on so many wigs where I just take a little bit of the hot comb just at the front to get a little bit of lift, and it works like a charm. I will link a video below showing you how I do that with a hot comb. Again, wigs sometimes need a little TLC out of the box. That's fine. That shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's not for me for sure. And I'm just giving you some tips on what I would do. You may love the swoop and not mind the little bit of face flopping this has. So leave it if you love it. Modify it if you don't. So I mentioned lace front. There's that lace front. You can see they went really heavy with those highlights in this color, and we've got a mono top that you can part anywhere you want. It does come out of the box wanting to part from left going over to the right, but in the video that I'm going to link with a hot comb, I show you how you can kind of pluck a part line and change a part line. So definitely watch that video if you haven't. This is the inside the cap. We've got a lace, extended lace front that goes from ear tab to ear tab. A full monofilament top, so you can part it anywhere, left to right, right to left, in the center, whatever you want on the top. And we've got soft ear tabs with bendable stays, an extended nape. There are some closed wefts at the very bottom. Otherwise, it's all fully hand tied. You can see my hands through there. All of that is hand tied. And we've got Velcro adjusters so that you can adjust the size. So lightweight. It feels like practically like nothing. I find these hand-tied caps from Raquel Welch to be really stretchy, and you get a ton of natural movement when you have all of those hand-tied features. Instead of a straight across weft track that really only allows up and down movement, the hair all throughout this can move in nearly all. If you're worried about someone knowing that you're wearing a wig when you're out in wind, a hand-tied cap is the solution to that. So I love these hand-tied caps. They're lightweight, they're super comfortable, they're not bulky at all. There's no Permatease in them because Permatease is generally not in a hand-tied cap. So you get great density, no poof, no volume, which could be a con if you like volume because you're not going to get a ton of volume without the Permatease. And so I really think these are great beginner-friendly wigs as well. All right, let's talk about fit. My biggest hook at the very beginning of this video was that this comes in 3 sizes. I don't know why more of the major name brands don't have size options, but it is pretty rare, and I'm so grateful that this one does. So I have the Petite cap, but it also comes in an average cap, and it also comes in a large cap, which also is pretty rare in the hand-tied caps to find a large. I would say that this is running really, really true to kind of petite to average petite. The circumference is actually a little large in my opinion because I have a 21¼ circumference, and this one I had to cinch it in actually quite a bit for it to fit snug and secure on my head. All of my measurements are in the description box. Circumference is the measurement around your head. Most wigs, all the wigs in the major name brands come with adjusters so that you do have some flexibility to tighten or loosen the circumference. Where I'd say this is running more petite is over the top. I am getting no extra cap up here. I don't get any extra. I would not recommend this for anyone larger than a little over 12 inches ear to ear and 12½ front to nape. I don't recommend the petite for any larger than that. I think it fits me nearly perfectly ear to ear. And so I would say if you have struggled with caps, the average caps being too big for you, gosh, this petite cap is a dream. It's so comfortable. It's so stretchy. I mean, it just feels like it was made for my head. All right, I think I covered it all. Let's talk about color. SS Iced Cafe Latte. The codes for this are RL9/24SS. RL in the Raquel Welch brand means heat-friendly fibers. So if you see a Raquel Welch wig and you see the color code, but you're not sure if it's heat-friendly or regular synthetic, because they do carry both, look at that color code. If it has an RL, then that means it's a heat-friendly piece. This is the perfect blend of brunette and blonde, in my opinion, more of in the neutral to ashy tone. SS does mean shaded or rooted, so this does have a root. So there's that root. I think it's a perfect shadow root. I mean, really, the SS stands for shadow shade, and so when you see an SS, the root should really just be a shadow of a root, not a long root, not a super extended root, and you're seeing that on this one. Very much just a shadow. And then we've got those blonde highlights. But if you like light browns, you like highlighted pieces, you like more ashy to neutral tones, this isn't warm, there's no red, there's no gold, there's no yellow, maybe a tiny bit of gold here and there, but not significant. This could be a great color for you. It is one of my favorites. When I'm looking for a lighter Raquel Welch color, this is the one. Let's get outside so you can see this color outside. I appreciate you guys so much. And name brand wigs, don't forget about them. They are wonderful. See you guys soon.
All right, this is fresh out of the box. I have not even figured out this part yet, but I needed to take advantage of the daylight. There's so little daylight these days. This has to be one of my favorite Raquel Welch colors. I just feel so put together when I have this color on. This is definitely a color that may get you attention and questions about where you get your hair colored, so beware. All right, I hope this helps. Very subtle root. Have a good day.
Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.